Today we're gonna learn how to implement, create, update, list, and delete records via MongoDB. So this example I will use Java. We need to have Java JDK, any version, but in this example I will use JDK version 5 Docker desktop to install MongoDB and MongoDB Compass. This is the GUI to display your database and download Postman. First thing is we need to install Choco on local machine. So open the CMD and run as administrator with this command. Click this link. It will display the step that you need to do. Open CMD again and place this command to install MongoDB. Next is set up your deployment. This command will create Docker container. Alright, already created. You can copy this URL to display your local database. You can go to Docker desktop and see this is our deployment. Open MongoDB Compass to display our DB. Copy, click New Place and click Save and Connect. Next is create new schema, name demo, click create, and the database name is demo, and correction name I will add a product, and click create database. The next we will implement Mongo in Java. So add this dependency on your form.xml to your form file and depend one. If you need to run REST API, you need to add more dependency. This is the other dependency that we need to add. 3 of them. We will create model, product, and product detail. We will use detail to prevent to call directly to model which connect database. We will have ID as object ID and string name, string description, and double price. As string, double. So I will add annotation. And the last one is document. It will display this model as our correction is product. This name should match with this. For the ID, I will add the serialize. We need to add this annotation because if we return the data as object ID, it will display an object. So we need to declare this to display UUID as the text. Right, second one is add detail. It is the same, but we don't use both annotation. And this one. And for the DTO, we will add the method to the AO. It will return the model which directly to our database. So we change ID to string. Alright. Next is we will create repository. Extend Mongo repo. Change it as interface. Go object ID. And don't forget to add repository annotation. Right, the next is create service, product service. Add annotation service and declare product repository and declare constructor of product. Oh, don't forget to add final. Alright, we will create list file by ID, create and update, and the last one is delete. The first one is file as so we will pass ID as string, so we will convert it object ID. Or else it will handle if it not present, so it will return now. Next is it pass product detail and it will pass product. I will ID first, and we will find by ID first. check if is now. We will call if else, we will return now. So we need to assign the new value. Set name data dot data dot get data dot get the last one is delete. For delete, we don't return anything. I The next is controller. Add product. Add annotation list controller. Wasting. We will declare product service. And declare final. You pass service as in constructor. We will create method from our service. While by ID, create, update, and delete quantity. List all will return responsibility dot OK, and we will return all declare as response. And don't forget to add get mapping. Second one is void by ID. Get part variable as ID. Declare ID and add annotation part variable ID. The next post. So we will pass request body as product DO as data. It will return product from service.create. Update. put. So we need to pass ID from the URL as part variable as ID and request body product form dot update pass ID and data. The last one, so we will return string. We will return if it deletes correctly. We will return string delete successfully. So we will return as string. So don't forget to add delete and pass ID as path variable, name as ID. For this one, we'll call only service.delete because we don't have delete successfully. Right, the last one is database connection. Here we add config and go civil x and configuration. You can copy from medium link and import for client. Database name as the demo. This demo should match with this schema on our Mongo DB. So for this example, I will use application.yaml. Delete this. Add YAML. Copy. Right click and pick application. Already started. Let's see our result. It is empty because we don't have any records from this. So we need to create first one. This is the API to create /product and request body as name, price, and description. Click. It already created our first product. Go to see in our Mongo DB. It's already added. And if we call by all, it will display one record. This one. We can find by ID, get, and /product and /ID. You see the result written correctly. And I will add more product. Order, description, rest of order. The price is 10 and click send and go to file all. It will display two records. Alright, I will edit Coca-Cola. Edit URL and paste our ID. The name should be edit size 30. Edit. Click send. Alright, if we go to file with Coca-Cola, it edit our name, description, and price. Alright, the next I will delete Coca-Cola. Go to delete API / product and / ID and method as delete and click send. Delete successfully. Go to file. It will display only water. Alright, thank you very much. This is the short code that I already created. You can visit this link and see all short code. See you next time. Bye bye.